Hey, this is Shweta and today we'll learn about the basics of C, and the topics included are what is C, process of programming, programming cycle, simple C program and the variables. Next topic is what is C. It is an object-oriented language written by Brian Kanigan and Dennis Ritchie. This was to be the language that Unix was written into and become the first portable language. We can use C program to create mobile application, web services, Windows application and much more. Next we move to the process of programming. This process of programming is not restricted only to the C programming, but we can use this process in any programming world. First, we have to analyze the given problem, then write the logical solution of the given problem and step-by-step procedure to solve the given problem. And this step-by-step procedure to solve any problem is also known as algorithm. Then visualize the given problem using a flowchart. Flowchart. Those who are experts in C, they never use flowchart, but if you are a beginner, you are advised to use flowchart because it will help you to analyze a given problem. Now we will move to programming cycle, how a program is executed. First we write the program, and this is also known as the editing stage, because when we have got any error or if output is not correct, then we will again move to this stage to edit our program and we correct it. So second, we compile the program, and if any error is generated, then we will again move back to our editing stage, and if there is no error, then we run the program. If our output is not correct, then we again move to the editing stage, and if our output is correct, then our program is done. Next we will learn a simple C program. Here we have written a simple C program, that is has include stdio.h, men printf welcome to C world. This line has include stdio.h includes the standard input output library, and this main function, we write any statement inside the main function. Here printf welcome to C world. Printf is a function called to output from a C program. Printf, as like main is a function, printf is also a library function, and for this we have included this include stdio.h, which call our standard input output library function. Here it is a function all C program starts by executing from the first statement of the main function. Now, what are the variables? Variables are used in programming to store one value at a time. Creating a variable reserves a memory location for storing values. It is called variables because the information stored in that location will have new value after the execution of one value. Variable must be declared by specifying the name and data type. And what are the data types? Data type defines the information that can be stored in a variable, operation that can be performed with the variables, and the size required to store memory. For example, we have taken int num. Here int the data type and num is the variable keyword. Now there are two types of variables, global variables and local variables. Global variables defined to use anywhere inside the program, and the local defined in a function, and we can use it in only that function. Now what are the variable data types? There are four types of variable data types: integer, character, float, double. Now character includes size of 1 bit. Using unsigned characters is of size 1 byte. Character is size of 1 byte. Int is of size 4 byte, float 4 byte, and double 8 byte. Now we have moved to another C program, that is we have written the same program, only we have defined welcome to C world. We have break it into two parts: printf welcome to, then printf C world. Here we have taken line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as a reference, so that it will be helpful for us to understanding from where the execution has been done. How execution is done in a C program. First, program counter start at the first executable statement of main. As like main is a function and printf is also library function, printf takes as arguments a sequence of character in a double quote line. Here we are written welcome to C world, they are in double quoted line, and a sequence of character in double quote line is known as string constant. We can call a function that we define or that library provide. It means that we can only call that function which are defined in our function or library provide us. Here every statement ends with a semicolon, and where printf is a statement, second printf C world is a statement, and we end with this semicolon. This two curly braces show that it is the beginning of the main function and it is the end of the main function. When we run any program, it executes one statement at a time. So when we compile it and run it, first it will execute line 4, then it will execute line 5. So first it will show welcome to, then it will show C world. Thank you guys, this is done for today.